Hey, what's up everybody? This is Royce from Pedal Metal. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at a new old stock Maisto BMW 502, and this is a model year 1955 Cabriolet, and is a V8 model. 502s were one of the first post-war V8s, I believe, from BMW. It was 100 horsepower, 2-barrel Solex carburetor on the motor, and was capable of 100 miles an hour, I think, or 99 miles an hour. And but they did not sell very well. Many of these were ended up being converted to ambulances and hearses. And so we'll go ahead here and take a look at this one from Maisto, or Maisto, however you prefer to say it. Here, this, I do not own this, so I am going to be wearing gloves as we check this out because of the black finish. Very nicely done for a $15 model. I mean, essentially this was it's a toy, but I mean, it's probably more for adults, I would say, but I'm sure being sold at Costco and BJ's and some other places, plenty of children have gotten their hands on these and given them a workout and break the mirrors off and everything else. The nice thing about these Maisto cars, I think these are really good starter pieces for when you're starting out your collection. I don't know what that is on the door there. Glue or something there on the door. Anyway, these cars are really nice for when you're starting out your 1/18 diecast collection. I still to this day, I don't think there's anything wrong with having Baragos and Maistos in your collection, I should say. These are really nice starter pieces. Some pretty nice details with the dashboard. This does have working steering once you loosen it up. I don't know if I stated earlier or not, but this is the box is dated 1995, so this is new old stock right out of the box. Example. Due to the age, we do have some crazing of the paint up in here. You can probably see it. That's pretty typical. Even some of the newer Kyoshos had that. Got some glue residue on the door here. See if I can get that off. Nice thing about wearing gloves too, you can usually rub out any of the fingerprints or anything. There was fingerprints. The wheel caps here are usually from when they were assembled. Oils or whatever else touched them sometimes can ruin the chrome over time. Let's see if we can get the hood open. Pretty impressive though for $15 to $20 range diecast model, I think. I mean, there's nothing really wrong with these. A lot of times you can go in just a little bit of thinned out black paint and go in the grill work in the slats there, and really can make quite a difference on the appearance of the vehicle. Got your spare wheel in the trunk, looks pretty decent. Little bit of white, I'm not sure what that powder there is, if that's glue. Looks like glue residue, but a lot of these type of issues are to be expected on a low cost diecast vehicle such as this. Nice thing, like these have these snaps are all painted in on the convertible top cover, which is really a nice bonus. You know, seats fold. More crazing here on the paint on the side. You can kind of see it as I move it around. Right there, you can see it. Right there above my thumb. It's something you really can't help. A lot of these older ones, even the UT models and some of the mini champs, due to age, will craze like that. Overall, I think this is a really nice vehicle, and I think this is actually one of the harder one to find. A lot of the Maistos, you would see them at BJ's, they'd crop up, such as some of the American muscle cars, that they would keep reproducing them over and over and over again. But this one, I believe, is a little more difficult to find. So that's just a quick look. Thought you guys might like that one. I know a couple of you have accused me of not doing 1/18 scale vehicles anymore on my channel, and I do apologize for that. It's just they're just not as popular anymore with people, or not as popular as they used to be, due to the cost of many of the newer die-cast and resin vehicles have gone through the roof. And it's not uncommon for people to spend $500 or $600 on a 1/18 scale vehicle, and not everybody can do that, obviously. So it's nice to have these alternatives, such as the Maisto and Baragos and Norav, and Welly is also basically, these are probably all made at the same factory. That would not surprise me in the least. So there you go. Thanks for checking out the 1955 BMW 502 V8. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. All right, bye now. The creaky turntables for you, Casey Paul. There you go.